Hello, good afternoon, everybody. First of all, thank you so much to the City of Dreams, Manila. We are always so happy to be here. And happy Mother's Day, everyone. To all the moms here, and how special, Bea, how special is it that you're spending Mother's Day with your mom? Hi, Tita Tony. Happy Mother's Day. So today, we celebrate more than the crowning of a new queen. We celebrate purpose, perseverance, and the continuing evolution of Miss Universe Philippines. This victory is a reflection of what this organization has worked hard to achieve through the years. Today is a victory for everyone involved with Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Our local directors, our glam teams, the designers, our suppliers, of course, our amazing accredited partners, our media partners who are here. Round of applause for yourselves. Thank you so much, guys. You have been so generous, but most of all, what we're thankful for to you is that you've spread pageantry with so much kindness. And that's what we need on social media. It is also a victory for the provinces of Misamis Occidental and Pangasinan. We also offer a toast to our sponsors without whom we could not have done this pageant: Playtime, Pina, Gel Life, and Maya. We celebrate the hardworking Empire PH and Miss Universe Philippines team. Round of applause for them. Thank you so much, guys. And because today is Mother's Day, we greet all our moms, especially to our President and CEO, Mama J. Happy Mother's Day. In the center of this celebration is our newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Bea Villanueva Dorsey. You've proved that true beauty is not only seen, but felt through authenticity, intelligence, compassion, and strength of character. The story of your reverse migration has ended. Today, you begin a new chapter as a representative of the Filipina on the global stage. To represent the Philippines is to carry the heart of every Filipino, resilient, hopeful, and full of love. And I believe that spirit deserves to shine on the global stage, just like you. To our new queen, wear the crown with pride, humility, and courage. The universe is now waiting for you. Know that we will be behind you and beside you every step of the way. Beyond the glamour, Miss Universe Philippines' greatest accomplishment will always be the women we help transform. Women who leave this organization more confident, more empowered, more prepared to become leaders and change makers in their own communities. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ka, Bea.
Once again, let's give a round of applause for Sir Voltaire Tai.